after you solve the white cross, we're going to solve the white corners and the corresponding colors. What I mean by that is these are all going to be white, and this row is going to be orange because the center is orange. This row is going to be green, this row is going to be red, and this row is going to be blue. So what you need to do is when you solve the white cross, you're going to flip the whole cube over so the yellow center is facing the top. Now, there's going to be three different scenarios that are going to happen. When you find a corner piece with a white in it, that's what you need. So right now we have a corner piece with a white in it, has a blue and an orange. When you look at this piece, the white is facing to the right. That's the first scenario. Here's another one. Here's a white, a green, and an orange. When you look at it, look at this piece, the white is facing to the left. In the last scenario, here's an orange, sorry, a red, a green, and a white. It's facing up, the white. The first one we're going to solve is the white facing to the right corner piece. So what you need to look at, first of all, is the colors that are on this corner piece. Not the white, but the other two colors. There's a blue and there's an orange. You need to find those two centers. There's a blue and there's an orange. You're going to put this corner piece on top of where it needs to be, which is this corner right here. Like I said, this is the first scenario where the white is facing to the right. So this corner piece can't be here because this is green, this is orange. You always put it to the corresponding center pieces, the orange and the blue. There's the blue and there's the orange. And the white is facing to the right. Now this is how you start. Remember, the white cross is on the bottom, the yellow is on the top, the white is facing to the right. You're going to take the right hand, the right section of the cube, you're going to rotate it, this piece, you can see it's clockwise. Clockwise down once. You see the upper part, you're going to rotate it clockwise once. Now the piece is in the right spot, but you need to bring it back down. So you need to rotate the white, this piece here. The right hand rotates it counterclockwise. So there you go. The piece is in the right corner. Let's do that again. We found the right piece. It needs to be here. Take the right hand, rotate it clockwise. The top piece, you look at it clockwise. The right hand counterclockwise. So it's here. So let's find another piece, a corner piece, that has white and two other colors in it. Here it is, white, green, orange. So we need to find the green center and an orange center. It's right here. So that piece needs to go here. You need to take that corner piece, put it on top of where it needs to go. It needs to go here, so you put it on top. Now here's the example of where the white is facing the left. As I'm looking at it from the front like that, the white is facing left. Here's the white cross at the bottom again, and the yellow center at the top. You take the left side, which is here, you're going to do a counterclockwise turn. You see that? A counterclockwise turn, and the top, a counterclockwise turn. So this piece now ends up in the right corner. Let's do that again. The white, green, and orange is in the right spot because it needs to be here. Because you have a green center here and an orange center here. When you look at it from the front, this is the front, the white is facing to the left. You're going to do a counterclockwise turn. The top piece, a counterclockwise turn. And the last turn, this piece, a clockwise turn. So now your piece is in the right spot. The last scenario is when the white is facing up. Right now it's in the right spot because it's a red and green piece. There's a red center and a green. So it needs to be here. What you need to do is take the cube so the correct piece is on the right corner. This is the front, this is the right, this is the top. What you need to do next is you're going to take a right hand, turn clockwise, turn the top clockwise twice so that this piece is kicked over way over here. Okay, let's reverse that. Let's do it again. So this was facing up. Remember, the white is on the bottom. This piece needs to be in the right corner, upper corner, because it needs to be here. I'm going to take the right hand, do a clockwise turn, the top part, do 2 turns so that that piece gets kicked over way over here. You're going to take the right hand, just turn it back. So that's a counterclockwise turn. So this is back, same shape. Now this piece is over here. You're going to take this piece, turn it so it's back in the right spot where it's supposed to be here. Now you're back to the same scenario as the first scenario where the white was facing the right. See how right now you get the green and the red and the green. You're in the right spot, but the white is facing to the right. You do exactly the same as the first time we did it, which you do a clockwise turn with the right hand, a clockwise turn with the upper part, and a counterclockwise turn with the right. So now you got the right spot. You have one more missing. You see it's blue and red with white. So you need to find the blue center and the red center. There's a blue center, there's a red center. So you move this piece, this corner piece over until it sits on top and needs to where it needs to go, which is right here. And here's another example of the white piece being to the right. Clockwise turn of the right hand, the upper part, clockwise, the right side, counterclockwise. So now you have completed the whole white side and all blue corresponding to the blue center, red, green, and orange.